Hello my dear students. Today we are going to solve a problem in mole concept AP Chem style. I'm going to solve this problem step by step and show you what are the key strategies to be applied to solve this problem. So without wasting much time, let's get into the problem. This is AP Chemistry style problem, topic 1.1, moles and molar mass. So here is the problem. A 2.00 gram sample of which of the following compounds contain the greatest mass of nitrogen? You are given 4 compounds NH3, N2O, NO2 and N2H4. The mass of all of the sample is the same, 2 grams, and you are asked to find which of them has the greatest mass of nitrogen. So how do we approach this problem? Since the sample size is the same for all the compounds, you only need to compare the fractions of nitrogen for each of the compound. The compound that has the highest fraction of nitrogen has the highest mass of nitrogen in the given sample. How do we find the fraction of nitrogen? We need to divide the mass of nitrogen in 1 mole of the compound by the molar mass. For the first compound NH3, the molar mass is 17.0. The mass of nitrogen in NH3 is 14 since we have 1 atom of nitrogen in it. Therefore, the fraction of nitrogen in NH3 is 14 over 17, which is 0.82. Coming to the next compound N2O, since we have 2 atoms of nitrogen in it, the mass of nitrogen in 1 mole of the compound becomes 14 times 2, which is 28. The molar mass is 44, 28 over 44 is 0.64, that is the fraction of nitrogen in N2O. What about NO2? The molar mass is 46, we have 1 atom of nitrogen, so the mass of nitrogen in NO2 is 14, 14 over 46 is 0.30. The last compound is N2H4, we have 2 atoms of nitrogen in it, so the mass of nitrogen is 28 over the molar mass which is 32, therefore the fraction of nitrogen is 0.88. Now, out of all these 4 compounds, N2H4 has the greatest fraction of nitrogen. Therefore, N2H4 has the greatest mass of nitrogen. If this video helped chemistry click for you, consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. I will see you soon with another lesson in chemistry. Until then, this is Suja Sankar, your chemistry teacher, signing off. Bye.